On top with tori for today. Make we gather work make infrastructure matter for go well for Nigeria. Presido Buhari don tell Nigerian engineers. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don call Nigerian engineers make dem join government with their ideas and ogbonge design wey dem get to fit Tanda infrastructure matter well for the country. He tok this one when he received Nigerian Society of Engineers wey their Presido lead come State House Abuja, Adekunle Mokuolu. Buhari tok say dem go need engineers dem to fit help arrange the money wey dem dey spend for infrastructure sector, as ogbonge policy don dey ground to see say all local content and capacity building wey dem dey do for im government e dey grow well. E come yarn say the foundation of any country wey develop dey shele well for there na better education and correct infrastructure, as many countries dey check these countries wey get better infrastructure, power and water resources, and dem bin wan dey copy dem. Presido tok say all these ogbonge achievements so na sake of say dem dey use better engineers, and Nigerian engineers don get better stand for outside world sake of the kind work wey dem dey do. E come tell dem say e sabi say for Naija here better environment bin no dey for dem to fit show wetin dem sabi do, but dem dey put policy for ground to see say this one e go work well. E come tell dem say make dem begin show their skills and wetin dem sabi make e for fit help Nigeria matter. As he tok say for 4 years wey don waka go for im administration, dem don put for ground better policy, the one wey go make Naija dey well for engineers to fit live well. Presido tok say dem don introduce executive order and don start many infrastructure development and rehabilitation projects, as e come tell dem say government dey ready gidigba to support all these engineers. Nigerian Society of Engineers (NSE) Presido come salute Presido Muhammadu Buhari for the belief wey im get for the engineers wey dey the country, as e come show the belief for the 2009 NSE conference, as e follow am with executive order, and as e do appointment of regulatory council, the one wey dey encourage engineers dem on top the collabo wey dem go get with government to fit develop the country. NSE Presido tok say engineering society don dey do better work for economy recovery and growth plan wey Presido Muhammadu Buhari administration put for ground, as dem don still Tanda North-East Rehabilitation Committee, and e come give request list to Presido, the one wey be say e dem want make Presido Muhammadu Buhari administration make dey carry all the engineers wey dey dis country put for the projects wey dem dey do. Mokuolu tok say the council don begin wetin oyinbo dey call domestication of global codes and standards, as dem don get 75 branch for Nigeria and dey get 2 for obodo, the one wey dey Houston and London. Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today, as Presido Muhammadu Buhari don follow Nigerian Society of Engineers talk for State House Abuja, say make dem follow government gather work make infrastructure sector for the country make e for stand well. And to continue to dey get this correct and clear informate as e dey happen for Nigeria and for everywhere for the world, make una no forget to follow, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for TLive Media TV. Now if you still follow us, waka enter Facebook to follow and like our page for TLive Media. Our website sit down gidigba for www.tlivemedia.com. Make una follow am to get ogbonge tori as e dey hot.